Everyone, trust you guys are doing good. Okay, so in today's video, what I will be simply doing, I will be showing you guys what you should do at the intermediate or a basic keyboard player. Okay, I just on the keyboard currently now. So if you see, for example, let's say that someone is singing and I want to follow a worship song, you can see the tone it will start up with is grand piano by default. Okay, so definitely I want to make some other voices with it to make it look twish. Okay, but the first thing I want to do, if you look at the tone sounding this way, immediately I release my hand, it will be flat. Okay, so first thing to work on is tap your function button, go to this category, click on the plus, you are going to release. Okay, once you get to release, then set it to like 110 to 115, you are good to go. Okay, let's just say 113. You can see, unlike before, you can see if I reduce this back now, you see, but if I increase it back, so anything between 110 to 115, if you increase it too much, it will be too rough. Okay, okay, we are okay with that now. So we have our sustain on. Since we don't have external sustain, that is why we are using this. Assuming you have your external sustain, you just have to use your foot. And also, before I forget, do it to like and subscribe to this video if you find value in it. And also, I have a detailed course where you learn how to play keyboard as a beginner. I use around like 30 to 40 videos I put together to help you guys where to start, how to start your fingering exercise, do a tonic over chord progression and various different exercises. Okay, just check the description. So next thing to do is click on your drawer, because currently we're using a voice which is grand piano. We only had sustain to it. Then click on drawer. This one will permit you to mix another voice with it. So since it's worship, we can just mix string, then activate it, it will come on. And remember, you can mix any voice you want. So any voice you want, just play around with it. Then if you tap that category again, you can set the level of that drum. Maybe you want it to be very loud. You can see. Okay. Okay, that is another beautiful thing you can do there. So let me just say I'm using string for now. Okay, now let's assume we don't have a bassist. You want to do some basic, and also you can activate your harmony is optional anyway. But the main thing is we use grand piano at first. This is grand piano. We added sustain to it inside our function. Then you come to your drawer, you set the other voice you want to mix with it. Okay, since this is not a big piano too much, it's not motive or montage and the rest, but at least you can get the best out of it. Just click on the drawer, you'll be able to mix any voice you want. Hold it down. Remember, just hold it down, set the voice you want there, click on category, set the level of what you want. Then in case you don't have a bassist, you can come to this split, hold it down. So now just activate it now. So let's assume you don't have a bassist and you are the only one, you can come there and set. So you can play with your bass. Just choose the one, whichever one you like. Okay, then you can also click on this plus, then you set the level of the bass. Maybe you want it very high or you want it very medium. Just set it whatever you want.